Good day, everyone. I finally get to do a really nice unboxing, a proper unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while. So this is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And I got the 512 gigabyte and the burgundy color. And at first I was like, I don't know what color I should get. That was between the burgundy, the green or the white. But I thought about it. I'm like, you know what? White's classic, black is classic. So it was between the burgundy and the green. So I said, you know what? I'll go with burgundy. Never had a burgundy color phone. And you all know how I feel about Samsung. That is just my company. So that's it. And they really made this really simple. You go ahead and pull this off. I do like this though. The S on it, just S, Galaxy S21 Ultra, 22 Ultra, not 21. Wow. Okay. Woo! Yes, I'm recording on my iPhone, ironically. So this is the phone. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is nice. That is really nice. Look at this. Let me tap this here. Oh, that's nice. It just shines. It's like kind of gives me a feeling of like a purplish, grayish hue to it whenever you tilt it against the light. Let me go ahead and take this off. Oh, that's so satisfying. The feel to it, it's like a ceramic feel. It's aluminum on the sides. This is where your port is, speaker, and this is the where you put your SIM card at. The buttons, power on and off, volume, and this is the S Pen. They included their S Pen in with the phone this time. And no, it is not a note. It's not a note. They just decided, hey, you know what? They didn't give us the Note 21. They waited until the S22 launch, and they differentiated between the biggest S22 lineup, which is the S22 Ultra, versus the S22 and S22 Plus. But you get the S Pen with it, and this is nice. This is really, really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess around with this, and I'll post up some pictures. Oh, this is really nice. It's really nice. It's 6.8 inches from here to here, here to here. In case you didn't know how it worked. So, wow, look at that. Just plain branding, the Samsung logo. There's no more of the let me see here. Let me get my S21. The S21 didn't have it either. The previous Samsung phones, before the S21, they had the warning label with the, I think the battery and the, it was like a warning cancel out symbol. I forget what it's called, but the last year and this year, they've been really, really simple with the branding. So this is the S21 Ultra, and this is the S22 Ultra. This is what they look like side by side. So this basically, the right is more boxy. The left, the S21, it's more round. What's easier to hold in the hand? I'm gonna have to say the S22 Ultra is way easier to hold in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's gonna just slip out that easy. This one, go like this, doesn't slip out. This one, it's easy, just falls right off. But of course, the difference of the cameras right here, the camera bump, and there's no camera bump here. I don't know how they do that. They flushed it. And it still comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, with the S Pen included, the same amount of battery as the S21. That's really good. We can put it side by side, like this. It's a little bit thicker. This camera will not focus. But yeah, this color is really nice. I'm glad I got this color. This is it so far with the phone. Pretty much with the unboxing, you just get your SIM card ejector and cable for your charger or for anything else you want to use it for. I have plenty of chargers, as you see, but they don't include the charging brick in the box. A lot of manufacturers are doing away with the charging brick in the box now. But this is it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you were able to, check this video out and like it, and maybe this will give you a decision on what kind of phone you would want if you are also into Samsung. If you're looking to switch, this is a great device to switch over with. I want to fool around with a little bit more, and like I said, I'll post more pictures, I'll post more content, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, thank you. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.